Another video of my rooster painting filmed for the artist's reality show. Longer video. These are all Art Deco beads and stones. Mostly from Austria and Germany, European. Door to another dimension with a hand waiting. Details, details, details. Little bows. These are taken from cufflinks. Most of these stones. And the dotted egg moon. That was from Varathane that I spilled on the top of a milk carton and peeled it off, and it came out in those squares. Pretty cool. These stones are very expensive, actually. But who cares? All in the name